In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Confluence page. Let's dive in and explore the step-by-step process to ensure you can manage your Confluence workspace with ease. First off, let's start from your Confluence homepage. This is your launching pad for all things Confluence related, providing you access to all your spaces, pages, and any recent activities. Once you've arrived at the home page, your next task will be to navigate to the specific workspace that houses the page you wish to delete. Workspaces in Confluence are fantastic for organizing your workflows, projects, or teams into designated areas for better management. To make this whole process smoother, it's important to identify which workspace your page resides in. Simply scan through your list of available workspaces, and when you've located the correct one, go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the right workspace, it's time to find the specific page you want to delete. Scroll through or use the search functionality to quickly jump to that page. Once located, notice the three dots or more options icon at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. The drop-down menu is your control center for a host of actions you can perform on your page, from editing to exporting. From the menu, look for the option labeled Delete. Clicking on Delete will initiate the process of removing the page from your workspace. But we're not done just yet. Confluence implements a safeguard for accidental deletions, which brings us to our final step. After clicking Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is where you confirm your decision, essentially a fail-safe, asking whether you are sure you want to proceed with this action. Double-check that you're deleting the correct page, as this action cannot be reversed through the usual methods of recovery. If you're confident with your choice, click Delete once more to finalize the action. With those few clicks, you've successfully deleted a Confluence page. Remember, keeping your Confluence workspace clutter-free helps maintain an efficient and organized environment for your team or project. And there you have it. Deleting a page is simple and straightforward once you know how to navigate the options Confluence provides. Going through these steps attentively ensures that your workspace stays organized, allowing you to focus on the content and collaboration that Confluence makes possible. If you enjoyed this guide or found it helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials, which cover various aspects of effectively using Confluence. Thank you for following along, and happy managing.